Okay, we do want to bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar to talk about what we're seeing so far with this testimony. Michael, so nice to see you. Another difficult to listen to this testimony, hearing what Natasha is saying that she went through. Michael, from a defense counsel's point of view, when we played some of her testimony earlier and she was asked specifically about the first time. And then she started giving testimony, and then she said, actually, that was not the first time. And then she began to recount the first time. Obviously, from a defense counsel's point of view, you're going to want to pick apart her testimony. A lot of people might want to say the first time a woman or someone is violated, they are never going to forget it. Here on the stand, she started talking about one incident, then went to another incident. Obviously, whatever she went through, what she's saying is awful, and maybe her memory can be a little foggy, but what would you take from that from a defense counsel's point of view?
I'm so sad that you asked that question, and I have deep insight into that. The most difficult part of being a defense attorney is when you are picking apart a witness like this or children in a domestic violence situation. Here's why. They're very easy to pick apart, and they are defenseless. It's very, very, very sad. The most difficult time in my days as a public defender was when I would defend people who were accused of domestic violence or rape or anything like that. I have PTSD, honestly, from these types of situations, because the answer to your question is they are very easy to pick apart. Later on, I was involved in a case where a girl was raped. Someone broke into her apartment, climbed up the outer stairs of her apartment, opened the window, which had a defective latch, raped her. This woman was an adult, was a professional, raped her, robbed her, left her apartment. She then took a shower. She went to sleep. She woke up the next day, went to work, and then only 2 days later reported it. Again, that was a professional, well-functioned, adjusted adult. Right? And then it puzzled me, and then it was uncovered through a psychological evaluation that it is known, very, very known, very common, that when females at any age are raped in that manner, they do not tell anyone about it, and they lie about it, and it's sad. It's sad. I have a daughter. It's very sad to know that that's how females treat these types of situations.